The family recipe. In a cozy farmhouse, there lived a boy named Sam and his grandparents, Grandma Mary and Grandpa Joe. Sam's family had a cherished recipe for apple pie that had been passed down through generations. One day, Sam decided to bake the apple pie on his own, thinking he could improve the recipe. He left out a few ingredients and added some of his own ideas, believing he knew better. When the pie was baked, Sam proudly presented it to his grandparents. However, when they took a bite, their faces turned sour. The pie didn't taste anything like the delicious family recipe they had known and loved. Grandma Mary gently explained that their family recipe had been perfected over many years and changing it had altered the taste. She advised Sam to respect their culinary traditions and follow the recipe as it was written. Sam realized the importance of obeying his grandparents' guidance and honoring their family traditions. From that day on, he cherished the recipe and followed it with care. Moral of the story: Sam's story teaches us the importance of obeying and respecting our grandparents' traditions and guidance, especially when it comes to preserving family heritage. Like, share, subscribe for more new bedtime stories.